Step into a world of possibilities as we embark on a journey focused on achieving remarkable financial success by 2025. Your interest in this topic reflects a common aspiration shared by many to elevate our financial standing. I'm here to guide you through 10 pivotal rules that can pave the way to your financial triumph. These rules are not just abstract concepts, they are your strategic roadmap toward economic independence. As we explore each rule, I'll provide insights that unravel their significance and offer real-world examples that bring them to life. From envisioning your dream home to conquering student debt, we'll unlock the potential of each principle together. These rules are not set in stone. They're adaptable to your unique path, empowering you to craft your own financial destiny. So, are you ready to take the first step toward your financial success story? Let's dive in and illuminate the road ahead. Rule number 1, set clear financial goals. This is the foundation upon which your financial success is built. Having a well-defined vision of where you want to be financially by 2025 will serve as your unwavering roadmap to success. Create both short-term and long-term goals that resonate with your aspirations, whether it's buying a home, starting a business, or securing a comfortable retirement. By meticulously writing down your goals, you transform abstract dreams into concrete targets, making them more tangible and achievable. Recent research underlines the remarkable impact of goal specificity, revealing that individuals who set clear and specific goals are not just more likely, but 10 times more likely to achieve them. This statistic alone underscores the immense power of goal setting in steering your financial journey. Rule number 2, develop a budget. This isn't merely a suggestion, it's a pivotal strategy that empowers you to seize control of your financial destiny. Vigilantly track your income and expenses, leaving no detail unnoticed. By creating a budget that meticulously allocates funds for essential expenses, strategic savings, intelligent investments, and a calculated allowance for leisure, you elevate your financial decisions to a realm of informed wisdom. The profound impact of budgeting is highlighted by substantial research, revealing that households who master this practice don't just save more, they save up to 20% more of their income, a testament to the transformative influence of effective budgeting. In a world where financial stability is prized, your ability to master this skill can't be overstated. Rule number 3, increase your financial literacy. Educate yourself about personal finance, investing, and money management. Books, online courses, and educational resources are readily available. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make smart financial choices. Surveys indicate that individuals with higher financial literacy tend to have higher levels of wealth accumulation. Rule number 4, establish multiple streams of income. Relying solely on a single source of income can be risky. Explore side gigs, freelancing, or investment opportunities that can generate additional revenue. Diversifying your income streams can provide financial stability. Research suggests that individuals with multiple income streams are better positioned to weather economic uncertainties. Rule number 5, invest wisely. Begin investing in assets that align with your risk tolerance and financial goals. Consider stocks, bonds, real estate, or even starting your own business. Remember, time in the market is crucial, so start investing as early as possible. Studies demonstrate that investing early can lead to exponential growth over time. Rule number 6, manage debt effectively. Prioritize paying off high-interest debt like credit cards and personal loans. Consolidate or refinance where possible to reduce interest payments. Good debt management frees up funds that can be used for savings and investments. Research reveals that reducing debt can significantly improve your credit score and financial well-being. Rule number 7, network and learn from others. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals who are also on a journey to financial success. Attend seminars, workshops, and networking events to gain insights and expand your opportunities. Studies indicate that building a strong professional network can lead to increased job opportunities and access to valuable financial advice. Rule number 8, embrace smart spending. Differentiate between needs and wants. Prioritize spending on experiences and items that truly add value to your life. Cutting down on unnecessary expenses leaves you with more resources to invest and save. Recent trends show that the shift towards conscious spending is linked to higher levels of financial satisfaction. Rule number 9. Stay adaptable. The financial landscape can change rapidly. Be prepared to adjust your strategies based on economic conditions and emerging trends. Staying flexible allows you to seize new opportunities and navigate challenges. Research suggests that businesses and individuals who embrace change are more likely to thrive in dynamic environments. Finally, rule number 10. Stay committed and patient. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is wealth. Achieving financial success takes time and consistent effort. Don't get discouraged by setbacks. Keep your eye on the long-term goal. Studies in behavioral economics reveal that practicing patience can lead to better financial decision-making and higher overall well-being. Presenting a comprehensive roadmap for achieving financial success by the year 2025. These 10 essential rules encapsulate the wisdom gained from years of financial expertise, offering you a surefire way to realize your aspirations. At the core of this strategy is the art of goal setting. By defining clear, measurable objectives, you create a roadmap that guides your every move. Each decision you make counts, which is why rule number 2 emphasizes the significance of well-informed choices. Armed with knowledge, you navigate the intricate landscape of investments, expenses, and opportunities with confidence. Thank you for watching. If you're excited to see more amazing content like this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload on my channel. Your journey towards financial success starts now.